Okay, so welcome back to another tutorial. Now in this tutorial what we'll be doing is we'll be quickly downloading and installing the required software and setting up the environment. So what you guys need to do is just go to this link right here, hit the download button and the download should begin automatically. I have my downloaded file right here, so I'll quickly guide you through the installation process. Okay, so once we are done unpacking, we get to select the language, just hit English obviously, and I agree. Next, and install. The installation is pretty simple. I know you guys can do it, but still, just for the sake of formality, I thought I'll just guide you through it once. Also, once we have installed the software, I'll quickly tell you a bit about the interface so that you're good to go. Now, by the time we are done installing, I might as well tell you guys this that this software runs on all the versions of Windows, but not on the Mac, right? If you want, or if you're using a Mac right now, you can write C programs directly in the terminal using the VI editor or any other editor which is available in your software, right? So once we are done, let's select run dev C++ and click finish. We need to set up a few things during the first time. So again, you can choose your language if you want to change anything, but since we are talking English, I guess we'll be going ahead with English only. Click next. You can choose whichever font you like. I like all the default ones, so I'll be leaving everything as it is. And in this page, make sure you do not do any change, right? Just let whatever it be, because if you click this button, as it says, you need to be very patient, and trust me, it takes a lot of time, and we do not need all these extra additional header files at the moment, right? So just go ahead and leave everything as it is and click next. Okay, so once the setup has completed, just click on OK, and now it should hopefully open up the software, right? Okay, so there we go. This is what the interface looks like. Now I'll quickly guide you through it once so that you don't feel overwhelmed at the moment. We only use two of these options. To be very honest, we don't use 90% of these stuff here. The very first option which we use a lot is the file option, because whenever we create a new file or save our project, and the next option which we use here is the execute option, which is used to run our code, right? And we don't really use all the other features, but still I'll tell you what they are. Edit obviously contains all the cut, copy, etc., and search is used to find and replace some text in your files. View is used to change the interface if you want to, but I would recommend sticking to the default one at the moment. A project is when we are working with multiple files. Execute, as I said, is used to compile and run up code. Tools basically contain all the additional options available. You can go ahead and you can change the fonts, etc., if you wish to, and you don't need to worry about these three things. So yeah, again, that is how the interface looks like. So go ahead, install it, and I promise we'll start coding from the next one.